Now I'm going to put some new petrol pipes in and mount this fuel pump a bit better than it is at the moment, hopefully. So I'll get started on that. I've undone this clip here, so I'll try and get the fuel pipe off. Just connected to a T-piece on here. So we'll just cut some, you can see how bad the pipe is perished. I've got some new fuel pipe, which apparently is E10 fuel proof anyway. So that's that. Right, so just taking the pump off now, or taking the pump mounting off. I'm going to mount this pump slightly better, I hope. Interesting homemade mounting. I think it's a homemade mounting anyway. Somebody's used a bit of foam rubber as a packing piece. So what I'm hoping to do is to put a rubber sleeve around it. So I've got the pump off, and I'm going to make up some sleeves to fit around the pump, so that I can cushion the pump in the bracket. Hopefully that will make it a little better. So all I've done is use some old inner tubing. So the first one will wrap around like that. I've just got to cut it to size a bit better, so I'll do that and come back. So I've just used a bit of hot glue, and I'm just going to a bit of meth's soaked. Just to make sure the surface is clean. Wrap that around. Just apply a bit of hot glue to that. And then wrap that over. Hot glue's just really to hold it in place whilst I can get the bracket around it. So I'll do that with the next one. Well, there we are. Just use some old bits of inner tube, and then that will sit in there and grip it a lot better than it was being held before, hopefully. So there's the pump bracket all in place. Just got to connect up the cables. The cables and the hose, well, the cables have got different size terminals. So that one's slightly larger than that one. So you shouldn't mix them up, but I marked them anyway before taking them off. So I've just got to connect those up now. Right, I'm just replacing the fuel filter. The fasteners for the pipes, banjo unions, were really tight, and the mounting to get the filter off is a real awkward bugger to get at. But I've loosened it and it's coming off now. So this marl filter is a little bit smaller than the original filter that was on there. Consequently it was loose in the mounting bracket, so I've just wrapped a bit of inner tube around it as a packing piece. Must get the filter on in the right direction, so it's marked with an arrow to show the flow, but I've covered that up. But it's got out written in embossed in German on one side and in on the other, so don't know whether you can see that, but anyway, it's got it on there. So there's the new fuel filter in position. I nailed the copper washers for the banjo bolts. Next thing I'm going to do is have a look at putting the new oil pressure warning light switch in.